So after we have completed all the requirements, now it is the time to see how we can publish and share our report. For this, I need to go to the Power BI surface. This is Power BI surface. You can access it by app.powerbi.com/home. But you need to have the username and password. You need to have already subscribed with Power BI surface. And then after that, you need to go to workspaces. You need to create a new workspace. So I'm going to create a new workspace. I will call it new. And then after that, I will click save. And now what I need to do, I need to go to Power BI desktop, and I should be able to publish it from Power BI desktop into Power BI surface. Means now I'm going to upload my report into the cloud. Fine. For this to happen, I need to go to home tab, and then here I will find publish button. Just click on it, and then after that it's going to show you all the workspaces available. So I'm going to save my changes, and now we will see all the workspaces available within my account in Power BI surface. So this is actually all of my workspaces. Now I have already created a new workspace with the name new. So this is the one. So I'm going to pick it and I will click select. And now my report will be uploaded into my account into new workspace, Now it is publishing. It's publishing the report along with the data into Power BI surface. And now, as you can see, I was able to publish it successfully into my Power BI account. So I'm going to go and click on my new workspace. So here, as you can see, I have my data and I have my report. I can just click on my report, and now I can see my report available in my account in Power BI surface. So this is my report. So I was able to publish it into my account. Now if I want to share it, there are many ways to share. I can share by mentioning the email or the account of a person which I want to share it with, or I can also provide it as a URL. So I can just share it with whoever I want using a URL. You can just click into the embedded report, go to publish to web, create embedded code, publish. You can actually get this URL. So you can actually get this URL, go to a new browser tab, paste it. You can provide now this URL for whoever you want to share it with, and he will be able to access it. And every time you are going to apply any changes into this report, all other users who are having the URL also will be able to see the update. So this is actually our report now shared by using a URL, This is one of the ways to share the report. Again, as I said, you can share it by mentioning the account of the person you want to share it with. And also there is an HTML code which you can actually copy it and paste it into your personal website, and it's going to contain the report with full data within your website. So here you have HTML code, you have URL, you can share it with a certain account user. So these are multiple ways of sharing the report between different users.